What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your PokeBall Plus with your phone so you can play with it in Pokemon Go. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have Bluetooth on in the settings. So if you swipe up from the top on Android, you can see that you have the Bluetooth icon right there. If it's blue, that means it's on. If it's not blue, press it, and then that will turn it on. If you have an iPhone, you can swipe up from the bottom and do the same exact thing. Now you can also do it from your settings, but it's a lot easier to do it right from there. So next, what you're going to want to do, hit the Pokeball at the bottom, and then go to Settings. From here, you scroll down and hit Pokeball Plus. Not Pokemon Go Plus, Pokeball Plus. There we go. And then what you're going to want to do, classic GPS signal not found. What you're going to want to do is double tap the top button on your Pokeball Plus. And it should be listed under available devices. And then click on it, and hopefully it should pair with it. And there it is. They are connected. And from here, you can use it to play. What you need to do is when it starts flashing, like if there is a Pokemon nearby, what you do is press the top button, and then it'll catch it just like a Pokemon Go Plus, or if there's a stop, it'll spin it for you. So thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it helps me out a ton, and please subscribe to my channel as I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I am almost there at this point. Thank you again for watching. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you have any problems, please let me know in the comments. It might be an issue with your phone, maybe with the PokeBall Plus as well. I actually had an issue where I had my Switch on and it was trying to connect to my Switch instead of my phone. So make sure you don't have your Switch on when you're trying to do this. Thank you again for watching. Peace.